In this video, I'll show you how to create an elegant e-commerce website like this, the one you are seeing on the screen here now, and show you how to create this beautiful call to action. I'll also show you how to integrate payment gateway, how to create a Paystack account and link it to your WooCommerce website so that you can receive a repayment from your customers and get your money in your bank account. Also, I'm going to show you how to process orders. So when customers eventually buy from you, how to treat your orders from the time of processing and get it delivered to your customers, then change the status to completed. If that sounds interesting to you, make sure you leave a like on this video, subscribe to the channel if you are new, and without much ado, let's get right into the video. I hope you enjoy it.